tell you what scares me the most, hurricanes. Right now we're in hurricane season. A lot of people do not leave. They don't leave. We're going to tough it out. Then it comes, oh shit. I think it's the names. They're not scary enough. You know, Francis, Shirley, Andrew, Rita. You hear hurricane, motherfucker is coming. Then you know it's time to pack your shit and get the hell out of the state. You would walk up to people and break them. Which part of mother and fucker did you not understand? Get the fuck out! Hurricane motherfucker is coming! Put your rollerblades on. Come on, we get the hell out. That'd be some weather report too, wouldn't it? Today, Hurricane MoFo ripped through the state of West Virginia, causing $157 in damage. I hope there's no one here from West Virginia. It's not funny. I blew the wheels off my house.